Stop telling everybody your damn business. Stop telling people every move you about to make. Stop telling people your goals. Stop telling people your dreams. Stop telling people what you plan to do, what you gonna do, what you finna do. And you know why? Before I tell you why, my name is Devon, put in work, the wealth builder himself, the leader and the creator of the wealthbuilderz.com, where we show you how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. So follow me and you'll learn something. Anyway, so why should you not tell people your business? Okay, for number one reason, they gonna throw shade, my boy. They're gonna tell you why you can't do it. They're gonna give you reasons to change your plans, to redirect you, give you their take on something, how they think you should do it. All these things that's gonna muddy the waters. You're not gonna have the clarity you need to reach that specific goal. Number two, if they agree with what you're gonna do, if they think you can do it, you're gonna feel like it's already done. You're gonna feel like you're already there. And yeah, that's a way of manifesting. But 9 times out of 10, when you have that feeling right there, you're gonna have this feeling of it's already done, and it's gonna slow down your progress. It's gonna slow you down because you're gonna take your foot off the pedal. You're gonna be like, okay, yeah, they think I could do it, so yeah, I'm gonna get it done. Know what I mean? And then now you're in this space of, yeah, you agree, but also you're in this space of it's already complete in reality, right? And then you're gonna slow down because someone else told you that you can do it. Trust me, it happens all the time. And number three, why you don't tell people what you're gonna do? Because it actually takes away the energy you have to get it done. Believe it or not, when you keep things to yourself and don't let everybody know what you're going to do or what you're shooting for, the goal you're going to, or all that good stuff, it actually makes it come to you faster when you don't tell everybody about what you're going to do. Okay, maybe you tell one of the closest people to you, maybe your significant other. You know what I'm saying? But that's it. And I wouldn't even tell them everything, right? Maybe just just a little bit. But for the most part, keep it to yourself. And I'm telling you, if you keep it to yourself and you just put the work in, you'll get to where you want to be so quick. You'll think it's magic. I'm telling you.